Hey guys, it's Vic here, and if you're hearing this video, that means you are also facing some problems with this platform that is on the title of this video, okay? After having some earnings with that, I was not able to withdraw the money, guys. I've already talked to them, to the platform owners, to the support team, and nobody solved my problem, okay? I really gained a lot on that, but it doesn't matter because you can't withdraw the money. You can take the money for you. So it keeps all there. And talking to other people, I saw that it was not a problem just with me. It was happening to many different people. So I gave up on this platform. And as I know a lot of people who play slot games and everything, there was a friend of mine that recommended me an honest platform that he was having good earnings. I was scared, of course, because you know that there are a lot of other platforms that don't pay. It's not just this one on the title of this video, but there are a lot of other platforms that they have the same scheme. But I tried it, okay? I trusted my friend. He was having good earnings. He said it was honest. They were paying. And in 1 week, I won $1,000, guys. And in 2 days, the money was in my bank account. So then I realized how honest they really are, how trustful they are. And I continued playing that. And I didn't have any issues, any problems, okay? So I'm here to share with you because if you're facing problems like I wanted to help you guys like my friend helped me, all right? But there is a specific strategy that I did in this platform. First of all, when you sign up, you have to put a minimal value in there. And then, guys, I have this strategy to share with you, which is when you start playing there, you have to play from 11:30 p.m. to midnight. This is the best hour to be playing, the hour they are really paying, okay? And the strategy that I do is 3 rounds on turbo mode, then 5 rounds on normal, then 7 rounds with turbo again, and more 5 in normal, all right? Follow it correctly, guys, all right? On the right time and doing this specific strategy. Okay, that's how I won a lot inside of this platform, so I had to share it with you, okay, guys? Remember that the platform link, I left it on the description of my video, so you can go there now. And also, guys, you can find any slot games on that, so it's for every taste, okay? I hope I have helped you guys. See ya.